In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for competitor research. Whether you're new to Semrush or looking to refine your techniques, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to leverage this powerful tool effectively. To begin, open your preferred browser and perform a quick search for Semrush. Once you find the official Semrush website, head over there. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Otherwise, take a moment to sign up. Having access is crucial because Semrush offers a treasure trove of data that can help you understand your market landscape better. Now that you're in, we'll start with organic research. First, enter your own domain and navigate to the Competitors tab. Here, Semrush will generate a list of websites that rank for similar keywords. These are your potential competitors. This feature is particularly useful because it provides insights into who is vying for the same audience as you, allowing you to adjust strategies accordingly. The next step is to dive into the domain overview. Type in one of your competitors' domains, and Semrush will serve up a comprehensive snapshot of their online presence. You'll see data on their authority score, organic traffic, backlinks, and more. This overview is instrumental in understanding your competitors' strengths and weaknesses, offering you a clearer picture of where you stand in comparison. Moving on, let's take a look at the Domain versus Domain feature. This tool allows you to compare your domain with your competitors. By identifying shared keywords and analyzing their competitive level, you gain strategic insights that help refine your SEO and content strategies, giving you an edge over others in your niche. Traffic analytics is another powerful tool at your disposal. By analyzing your competitors' website traffic, you can uncover valuable information about their audience demographics and behavior patterns. This data is paramount in identifying potential marketing opportunities and understanding what drives traffic to their site. Next, we have advertising research. If you're exploring pay-per-click strategies, enter a competitor's URL into this tool. Semrush will reveal their ad campaigns, ad copies, and target keywords, allowing you to glean insights into their paid search strategies. This knowledge can help guide your PPC efforts for maximum impact. Finally, set up a position tracking campaign to monitor your competitors' keyword rankings over time. This tool is beneficial for keeping tabs on your competitors' progress and identifying areas where you can make improvements. By regularly tracking these metrics, you can adjust your approach and ensure you stay ahead in the competitive landscape. With these steps, you're now equipped to use Semrush more efficiently for competitor research. This tool is incredibly powerful and versatile, providing insights that are key to amplifying your market strategy. Happy analyzing, and may this guide help you achieve